Hi everyone, today our topic about transformation of axis from 1B vertical line, horizontal line, x-axis, y-axis, where these two lines are intersecting. That point is called origin. Here value 0, 0. First place called abscissa, second place called ordinate. This origin shifted in a plane like this. Now this new origin O dash and the values are h comma k, and this horizontal line is parallel to x-axis. The new axis called x dash, vertical line parallel to y-axis, and this is called y dash. Okay, now observe here, on a plane a point located P, x comma y distance. This origin O shifted a point h comma k. Now here origin also a point for x-axis and y-axis. This origin O dash also a point. Now where located this origin? At h comma k. H abscissa, k ordinate. Okay, like P also a point on a plane. The distance from x-axis and y-axis is x comma y. From L, M, N, O, P, suppose this is Q. Now the distance point P from y-axis, how many units from y-axis? X units. Like the distance point P from x-axis, how many units? Y units. From this O to Q distance is y, from Q to P distance is x. About point P for OX axis and OY axis. Now you forget this. O dash is origin. This same point P, these values are changed. Before, suppose the distance 4 comma 5. Now this distance is less than 4 comma 5. Okay, from this point P, the distance from x dash axis is y dash, and the distance between y dash axis is x dash. Okay, now what is the value of x? Means the distance x, O to n, x. If this is x, then automatically this one also x. So O n. Besides of O n, we can write O n besides O l plus L n. O l plus L n. Now besides of O l, we can write h. L n besides we can write O dash m or x dash. Clear? Now the value of x is equal to h plus x dash or x dash plus h. We got 1. Now the value of y, the distance y, O to Q or P to N, P to N. Y distance P to N. Pn we can write as Pm plus Mn. Pm plus Mn. Now Pm distance y dash, Mn distance k, y dash plus k. Y is equal to y dash plus k, the value of y. Using these two equations, x is equal to x dash plus h. If you write x dash as a subject, then send this plus h is equal to that side. Plus h is equal to that side minus h. X dash is equal to x minus h. In the same way, y dash is equal to plus k is equal to that side minus k. Using this we got another equations also. Now P point from x dash x ox axis oy axis, point P is x comma y. Now this axis nothing changed their direction, only origin is shifted to another point. Then that new point, new value is P of x minus h comma y minus k. To write the equation f of x comma y, if 0, then f of x dash plus h comma y dash plus k is equal to 0. In a transformation of axis, there are mainly three conditions are there. First one, transformation of axis, rotation of axis, transformation and rotation of axis. Total 3. First one completed. In that mainly x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. You learn these two. Using these two we can build these equations also. Now second one, rotation of axis. See, now assume that this is x axis, this is y axis. Okay, here directions are changed. Before, directions are not changed, only origin shifted, origin change in first condition, but here directions change, origin not be changed. Like this, x axis and y axis changed, rotation of axis. Okay, but transformation of axis, total this origin shifted to another point, but this x direction, y directions are same. Here directions are changed, but origin is same. Their origin shifted, here directions changed. That is the difference. Now rotation of axis. First, x, y, standard we know, x, y. Where these two lines are intersect, that is origin 0, 0. This OX ray taking anti-clockwise angle, take as theta angle. How like anti-clockwise, reverse clockwise. Okay, then automatically 90 degrees the angle between x and y. So this vertically axis also rotating anti-clockwise. Here theta degrees, then automatically there also theta degrees. Before this point P located O to L. Okay, O, L, M, N, Q. Assume that this is R. Now, the distance, how much the value of x? X value, point P comma x. This x is O to L distance x, and O to R distance is y. In the same way, now O to this point P, O to, like this line will come, another line also we want to draw like this. O to M x dash, O to suppose S y dash. X is equal to O to L. Besides of O to L, we can write total OQ minus LQ. OL besides we can write OQ minus LQ. Then OQ, where O here, O to Q same as it is OQ. LQ besides we written NM or MN. Now OQ besides OM cos theta. How we can write OM cos theta? Observe, this is right angle triangle OQM, right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, OQ is equal to what written here? OM cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? Cos theta besides. Adjacent side is OQ and hypotenuse OM. Cos theta besides we can write OQ by OM. OM get cancelled. Then remaining OQ. Understood? So besides of OQ we can write OM cos theta. Same in this way. NM besides written here PM sin theta. See, now take a PNM, this right angle triangle. NM besides what written? PM sin theta. Sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? NM by hypotenuse PM. This PM get cancelled. Now remaining NM. Understood? This like came this cos theta and sin theta. X is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Same as it is. Y equal to y dash cos theta plus s dash sin theta. Here x is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. X dash is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta. How like this cos theta and sin theta came here, I explained you. Okay. After that, origin shifted and rotated. When the origin shifted to h comma k and then axes are rotated through an angle theta, then what happened? The coordinates of point p x comma y are transformed as new points x dash y dash is equal to how it's changed. Same before we learn na x cos theta y sin theta minus h minus x sin theta plus y cos theta minus k. Most of the time CS will come commonly. So keep in your mind Chhatrapati Shivaji, because Chhatrapati cos theta, Shivaji sin theta. Many times will come this cos theta sin theta continuously. Now the equation f of x comma y if 0, then curve transformed as x dash cos theta y dash sin theta plus h, x dash sin theta y dash cos theta plus k. Here minus, there plus. Now if first degree terms or options are taken away, then origin shifted as, this is formula hf minus bg by ab minus h square, gh minus af by ab minus h square. In the same way, xy terms as absent, then the formula tan 2 theta is equal to 2h by a minus b, theta is equal to half tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. And you go through your textbook. See, if the origin 0 comma 0 is shifted to h comma k, origin shifted to at another point, that origin points are h comma k by translation of axis, then the coordinates x comma y old coordinates, then new coordinates, equation this one. If the axis rotated through an angle theta, then x comma y angles, then x dash y dash new point x cos theta Chhatrapati Shivaji, okay, minus sin theta plus y cos theta. You go through your textbook, you read, try to understand all these conditions and formulas. At last I written this all. I hope you all of you understood. See, another one is here x dash y dash Chhatrapati Shivaji cos theta sin theta. To write x dash cos theta, to write x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. See, to write x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Again, to write x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. To write y x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. Before y we written here minus means sin theta has minus. Okay. Now to write x dash, x cos theta plus y sin theta. To write x dash x cos theta plus y sin theta like this column. Now to write y dash x minus sin theta means minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. I hope you understood. You try to understand all the formulas and conditions. Thank you so much.